Principle of dry reed switch. Put two pieces of iron into a sealed glass pipe. The iron is very closely, but don't touch each other. When the magnet put near to iron, the iron is magnetized and attracted each other, so the two pieces of iron is touched and current can go through. When the magnet is taken away, the iron will be separated. Electric motor, assemble as illustrated. Make certain the slide switch 15 is OFF. Turn on the slide switch 15. And the DC motor 24 start magnetically activated motor. Replace the slide switch 15 with dry reed switch 13. Place the magnet near dry reed relay 13. The motor 24 turns on. Remove the magnet and the motor turns off. Lamp and motor connected in series. Don't place yellow fan on motor. Close the slide switch 15. The lamp lights and the motor 24 starts rotating. Sometimes need to rotate the pivot with hand. Open the slide switch 15. The motor 24 stops and the lamp 18 goes out. Motor in parallel. Assemble as illustrated. Turn on the slide switch 15. The fan rotates the lamp lights. Open the slide switch 15. The fan stops and the lamp goes out.
Rovo is the AI solution that brings together every legendary mind.
LED, light emitting diode. Closed the slide switch 15, the LED 17 lights but not the lamp 18, because LED 17 needs only small current to light up, but now there is only small current in this series connection circuit. Unidirectional conductivity of LED. Close the slide switch 15. Both the LED 17 and the lamp 18 do not light. Because LED 17 is unidirectional in conductivity, it only allows current to flow from positive pole to negative pole, but not reversed. Conductor tester. With this conductor tester you may identify which daily living articles are conductors which are not. To do this, you need only to bridge the article to be tested between terminals A and B. If the lamp lights, the article is a conductor, such as a knife or aluminum pot etc. If the lamp does not light, the article is non-conductor, such as plastic or wood etc. Alternative lighting up of magnet-controlled lamp and LED. When the slide switch 15 is closed, only the LED 17 lights up. When a magnet is out near the dry reed relay 13, the LED 17 goes out and the lamp 18 lights up. Alternative lighting up of magnet-controlled fan and LED. Replace the lamp 18 with motor 24 and control the circuit with magnet. The LED 17 and the fan will work alternately. Alternative lighting up of magnet-controlled fan and LED. Replace the lamp 18 with motor 24 and control the circuit with magnet. The LED 17 and the fan will work alternately.
Alternative working of hand-controlled fan and LED. Replace lamp 18 with motor 24. And replace the dry reed switch 13 with press switch 14. Control the circuit with press switch 14. The LED 17 and the fan will work alternately.
Hand-controlled variable bright. Magnet-controlled variable brightness lamp. Closes the press switch 14. Control the dry reed switch 13. Magnet brightness lamp 18 will be variable. Hand-controlled variable brightness lamp. Replace the dry reed switch 13 with press switch 14. Press the press switch 14 with hand. Brightness of the lamp 18 will be variable. The magnet-controlled variable speed fan.
Close the slide switch 15. Control the dry reed relay 13 with magnet. The speed of the fan will go variable.
Hand-controlled variable speed fan. Replace the dry switch 13 with press switch 14. Press the press switch 14 with hand. Rotate speed of the motor 24 will be variable.
Flying dish. Install blazers first. Place the switch 14. The saucer will automatically fly up in the air. Caution, flying at people is prohibited.
Direct and reverse running of motor. Reverse the connection of positive and negative poles of the motor 24. Install the blades. Press the switch 14. You will find that the motor 24 rotates in reverse direction. The saucer cannot fly up and become a powerful fan.
Series connection of batteries in the same direction. The diagram in the left indicates a series connection in the same direction. In this case, the voltage of the two 3-volt battery sets will add together to become 6 volts. Series connection of batteries in the reverse direction. You can try a series connection in the reverse direction. In this case, the voltage of the two 3-volt battery sets will subtract to 0. Parallel connection of batteries. The diagram at the top of the page shows the parallel connection of batteries. In this case, total voltage does not change, but the batteries can be used for longer time.
Charging of capacity. The diagram in the left top indicates that if press the press switch 14, the LED 17 will flash only once. This is to charge the capacity 44.
Discharging of capacity. Connect a circuit as the diagram in the left top shows in advance. First charge the capacity 44, then change the circuit as a diagram at the top of the page as quickly as you can. Press the press switch 14. The LED 17 can also flash for 1. This certifies that the capacity 44 is really charged.
Function of capacity. The capacity is just like a bucket with a hole at the bottom. It can store electric charge temporary, just like a bucket with a hole can store water temporary, but water and electric charge can't remain for long time.
Function of resistor. In the left-down diagram, close the slide switch 15. The LED 17 will light up with weak light. If press the press switch 14, brightness of the LED 17 will be enhanced. This indicates that resistor 30 play a function to resist the current to flow. The resistor is just like an obstacle in water pipe which can resist water to flow.
Hand-controlled doorbell. Close the slide switch 15. The speaker 20 will make the sound of music. When music stops, the doorbell may then be controlled with the press switch 14.
Magnet-controlled doorbell. Replace the press switch 14 with dry reed switch 13. You can control the doorbell with magnet. Light-controlled music doorbell. Replace the press switch 14 with photosensor 16. You may use light to control the music doorbell.
When the light hits at the photosensor, the doorbell sounds. If the photosensor 16 is shaded from light, the music stops.
Water-controlled music doorbell. If the press switch 14 is replaced by a touch plate 12, sound of music will be given out when water drips onto the touch plate 12. Sound music doorbell 1. Connect the buzzer 11 to terminals A and B. When the music stops, you clap your hands or speak aloud. The music will resume.
Sound music doorbell 2. Connect the buzzer to terminals B and C. When music stops, if you clap your hands and speak aloud, the music will resume.
Motor-controlled music doorbell 1. Connect the motor 24 to terminals AB. When music stops, lightly turn the shaft of the motor 24. The music will resume.
Motor-controlled music doorbell 2. Connect the motor 24 to terminals AB. Operation is as the front item.
Vibration-controlled music doorbell 1. Close the slide switch 15. When the music stops, lightly knock the bottom installed plate. The music will resume.
Time delay hand-controlled music doorbell 1. Replace the vibrating switch 10 with press switch 14. Press only once. The music will resume. Vibration-controlled music doorbell 2. Replace the LED 17 with vibrating switch 10. Lightly knock the bottom installed plate, the music will resume.
Time delay hand-controlled music doorbell 2. Replace the LED 17 with press switch 14. Only to press the press switch 14, the music will resume. Time delay hand-controlled music doorbell 3. Remove the vibrating switch 10. Reverse the LED 17. Connect the press switch 14 to terminals AB. Only to press the press switch 14, the music will resume.